Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today in this occasion of this video, we will giving argument or giving opinion in about the rules in the school. So there is for them for uh,
The rules
the
in school.
rules, and the first thing is school should ban smartphone during class. But before that, we will introduction our name, and my name is Farizal Zakaria. You can call me Fari.
Okay, my name is Afanul Majid. You can call me Afan.
Okay. After introduction, we next to the topic. So, school should ban smartphone during class. So, how about your opinion about this theme?
Okay, so about school should ban smartphone to the class is we can use smartphone uh, for learning, and maybe the teacher need to use phone, so we can use the phone if teacher is the teacher is say don't use phone, so we cannot use the phone. And then we can use the phone like for study. And then if there is like exam, we cannot use the phone for asking AI or maybe asking Google or other. So we can use phone for learn, and then we can know when we exam. So yeah, maybe that's for my opinion. And how about your opinion?
Okay, for my opinion or my argument is maybe a student can use the phone in during class because they can search a new lesson or search a new information for study in the class and know the new information in the outside school. And so maybe if the teacher is good, can make the student is really stressed because studying. So he can play the phone, but not long time. Maybe just really stress with the short time, and he can they can next or continue the studying, and because the least stress is he can focus to the lesson, and maybe he he can make the exam is good. Okay, next.
But before that, I want to add some note. So for break, maybe we can use phone for playing game or do something in break time. We can use for it, not when not when class. Okay, done. Okay, next. Okay.
Okay, for the next
Theme
theme
is
is
students
students
should
should
have
have
a
a
longer
longer
break
break
time.
time. Okay, so how about your argument or your opinion about this theme?
Yeah, maybe we can have a break time, but not in many time. So we can just maybe 1 hour, or maybe just maybe just 1 hour or more little. So if you uh, use the break time for a good maybe at some lesson or learning about other lesson in because in the school there is no the that lesson, so we can have a longer break time. But if you uh, just want to play a game or do something uh, like scrolling or others, you you can just have a little break time, then maybe done. And how about your opinion?
Okay, so maybe for my opinion is student should have a lot of free time. Maybe is yes, student must be have another free time because maybe the student is the brain is tired because studying or learning and listening, not listening but yes learning and studying the lesson, and maybe the free time is can make he
Restless.
yes really stress and break the brain, and maybe reading a book for really stress and play, and maybe he can eat first and for the next lesson, and for the next lesson is maybe can make he is focused to the lesson and can make the exam is good, and also we have a little free time because maybe he want to talking with his friend because if learning or go to the lesson he cannot talking because there is the teacher and must be learning and listening for the teacher. Okay, maybe that's for my opinion.
Okay, going to the third team, the
Okay, for
students should wear school uniform. This is the third team. So we from the first you can uh,
okay, maybe
explain.
me for the first is giving argument, and for students of wear school uniform is maybe I say is yes, maybe the student should wear school uniform because if the student is using uniform from the school, so the people know from where the from school in these people or in the student, he can see in the uniform, and also make the school is tidy and the people also because is using uniform, and like the friend is also, and make identity in the school, and the student is also uh, identity in the school, and the people know from where the student is school. Okay, maybe is there is student is not like from a if use uniform, but that is important because that make the school is tidy and make the identity of the school. Okay, that's my opinion. How your opinion about this thing?
Okay, so but my opinion is students should wear school uniform. It is, yeah, we should use school uniform because for the first is if you have maybe like going to anywhere, so maybe in other city and then with your school, and there is a tax in there, so we can use the school uniform because if maybe gone we gone, so uh, we can know about we can know the other people and we can go to the other people that or other friend. So if again the next is uh, we can our school is tidy, make our school is tidy, have a identity and other same as you. And yeah, maybe that's about my opinion.
Okay, maybe you can next.
Okay.
Okay, from the next time or the last time is school should start later in the morning. So, if my opinion is maybe yes, the school is start in later in the morning because if the class is start in the morning, the student maybe still tired and want to sleep again because he maybe there is homework until night and he must be break his body and maybe if the body is not still tired is not focused in the school or the lesson because he is sleepy and maybe if class start later in the morning uh, the student will be focused and already prepared for the next lesson because they already uh, break the body and the brain and make the lesson is focused and make they is ready for lesson. Okay, that's my opinion. How about your opinion?
Okay, for me, school should start later in the morning. Is I not agree with that because if we start in the later in the morning, so in you say we can sleep when morning, but in Islam is you cannot sleep in the morning, and then maybe the brain is still fresh, so we can learning more faster and we can learning more easy. So yeah, because of that we need to start the school in morning. Okay, maybe that's that about my opinion. Okay, so thank you for listening and watching this video. uh, my name is Afan Majid, and
Pak Jalaban Faziar.
maybe that's all from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.